Morning guys, Mike here. Connor's on his way out. We're going to be installing this beautiful QA1 level 2 handling kit in the 70 Chevelle Convertible while Blair's away. Trying to get a bunch of work done. We got a motor on the way. Going to go see Brent at Gears to Go, pick up a Tremec. I'm going to go see Rob at Canadian Crate there tomorrow, see what he can come up with for a nice power plant for the old 70 Chevelle here. In the meantime, we're just unpacking the parts. We're just admiring these beautiful lower and upper control arms here from QA1. Very nice looking pieces. Anyway, just going to start unpacking the boxes, see what we got, make a plan, and Connor's on his way. Stay tuned. We got our hardware kit, lower control arms. One for each side, I'm gathering. Where's the third one go? 1, 2. Unless it's for the coilover, maybe. Oh yes, there we go. Coilover mount. Okay. One on this side, one on that side. Excellent. Whatever. I think these are for adjusting your coilovers. That's got to be the bottom mount. Assuming for the shock. Hang on, we're going to lay these out here. More goodies. Those are for the bottom for your spring purchase, I'm assuming. Those, I think, are where your bottom of the shock's going to mount. Pivots, pivots, I'm assuming. Anyway, that's why they come with instructions. Remember, guys, read the instructions. Comes in handy. These got to be the front springs. Don't those look beefy, eh? Wow. Okay. So they, yeah, okay, that's going to go up there. That's going to mount on the coil. Okay, we got that. One of those for each side. Those are fronts. We have the front, and look at those beautiful things. Yes, okay, fronts, okay, these got to be rears. No, not fronts. These are rears. Okay, got that figured out. I'm pretty sure these come out, and then these go in, because this didn't really say so in the instructions, but I'm assuming because that fits in here to mount your lower shock on a spherical bearing. This is definitely not good, because this will definitely not fit here, so. Excellent. Starting to worry. I should know better. These guys know what they're doing. Here's the adjustment wrenches for raising and lowering your ride height, setting up your spring tension. Cool. Okay, let's start. Get some of it done before Connor shows up, then he can tell me what I'm doing wrong. He's good at that. Most people's kids are. Okay. Oh, here we go. There's the, okay. So remove both snap rings, press the T-bar on the bushing. Okay. And here's the freaky part. Cut the ear off the bushing. Cut. We're cutting the ear off the bushing. Hopefully without amputating a finger here. We have a sharper knife. Ah, I see there's two internal snap rings in here. Okay. Like this. Two of these. They're totally different styles, different sizes. One of these. Okay. Okay, let's go from this around. Is it small enough? An issue pushing these in, but I think I'm just going to try and get a socket. Then we can try it with the vise, keeping everything square. And just, you start putting them in and they should just go in easy, but I don't want to wreck them. Let's just try something different. Get a socket the right size, maybe. Ooh, right there. Okay. Let's just try that in the vise slowly. Give her a whirl, see what happens. Okay, that worked. Slick as poop. Anyway, just a 3/4 inch socket. We've got it started. Should just be able to tap it in now. Okay, you got to go right through so you can get the other snap ring in. Almost there. Come on. Still can't quite see the ring. Okay, where'd the socket go? Oh, of course I'm not. No. Yeah. Okay, let's see, we can't get this one in though. Oh, got lucky there. Okay, it's in. Holy moly, making me sweat. Okay, there's one. Beauty. Okay. Okay, we need to get these two out. That was this one. Perfect. Okay. That's the way it's supposed to go in. Easy. I don't know why the first one didn't. Maybe just trying me. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, and there we go. There you have it. 2 shocks ready for insertion. Next up, it says mount the shocks before you put in the lower control arm. So the lower shock connection to the control arm before mounting the arm. So I'm assuming that's going to be this bolt here. Put everything where you want to. Keep everything kind of uncluttered for us. Anyway, keep everything uncluttered. Said, guys, I mean, after driving my car, that 64, across the country twice and halfway through the States, well, more like halfway, more like all 3/4 of the way across the States, it's pretty hard to go back to stock suspension. I think these only go in one way. Check them and see, yeah, the shoulder doesn't fit. So these go from, so it goes from the inside out. And this one goes from the inside out. And it go the other way as well. No, you can't get it in. There you go. Okay. Ooh, these are going to be tight. Oh, very tight. This might be a 2-man job. Let's see. Come on, baby, get up there. We're getting closer. Good powder coating on these puppies. Let's go one end. You would never put these in without hitting them. Oh, put the washer right. Put the washer. I'm sweating already. Ooh, don't those look pretty sick? Oh, sure. This light's line up. I don't want to screw up the threads. What's not going there? Can't really get your eye in there to see. Where is it? Let's go up a bit. There we go. Come on. Okay. Okay, we have ignition. Whew. Well, we'll just put these on. It's loose. Don't tighten anything up yet. Okay, where's the other one? That's really good powder coating, guys. I mean, you beat on that thing pretty religiously. And can't even tell anyway. Sometimes you've got to do what you got to do because there's no way you were pushing that in by hand. It was not happening. At least not with my hands. Maybe with Connor's here he could do it. He's a lot tougher than me.